best gifts come in small packages like the super slim Posh 10 Function Silicone Teasing Tickler. From California Exotic Novelties, the company with an all-woman team of product developers. Power like no other, this amazing exciter has 10 functions of intense vibration with just the push of a button. Check out the blissful spot-on stimulator with a teasing tickler tip. Made of the highest quality body-safe silicone, the shaft flexes and moves with you, while the synchronized dual motors drive you wild. Use the quick shutoff for any surprise interruptions. Exhilarating and all-encompassing, this massager has intense power and durability, making it a must-have in your toy box. All you need are 2 AAA batteries and you're ready to experience ultimate bliss. Waterproof for fun in the shower, tub, or even the pool. Also makes cleaning super easy. Tease your lover tonight with the Posh 10 Function Silicone Teasing Tickler.